Hi, I'm Srihridai of DW28 batch, datascience. The course was lasted for nearly 4 months, including machine learning. The course is such a manner that one can easily understand the topics and can gain some confidence. I don't have any prior knowledge in Python. I learned Python in some libraries. Those are necessary for data science from the course curriculum. The mentors and the team are very approachable. When I request a one-to-one session for some matter, they conduct a one-to-one session and help me in resolving issues. They are very approachable and will respond you as soon as possible. For doubt clarification and to enhance coding capabilities, they conduct separate sessions which are very helpful. Also, there is forum to ask doubts and discuss the subject. They also conduct some blog writing competitions. They are very useful to write a blog research everywhere for the content and gather or gain some knowledge. This actually helps. This actually develops the skill of self-learning, which is really a must-want skill one should have in the industry.